There's a question from Nazneen from Bangladesh. Can women pray Eid prayer at home? Yes. And now especially during the situation of lockdown, as we know that Eid Salaah is preferable to pray in bigger congregation. The best is to pray in an open area, open ground, which we call as Eidgah. So more can assemble. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said that even the menstruating women and the children, even if they don't have to pray, they yet have to go to the Eid Salaah. Go to the Eidgah at least, even though they don't have to pray. But as we know today, most parts of the world, because of the COVID-19, because of the coronavirus pandemic, most of the mosques are closed. So the best option available now is, if your mosques are closed in your area, then you pray at home. And as we mentioned last time, you prayed the same way as it is prayed. And the khutbah after the Eid Salah is not compulsory. In the Eid Salah, it's like a normal Salah, but there is extra 6 takbirat after Takbir al-Ihramat in the first rakat. After the first takbir, the Takbiratul Ihram, there's additional 6 takbir. So totally there are 7 takbir before the Surah Fatiha. Then you read the first rakah. When you get up from the first rakah and before you start the second rakah, there are 5 additional takbirat. The 1 takbir Allah Akbar to get up, additional 5. So total 7, 1 plus 6 in the first rakah, starting of first rakah, 5 plus 1, 6 takbirat in the starting of second rakah, and the remaining is the same. It's preferable if you know you can read Surah Ala in the first rakat after Surah Fatiha and Surah Ghashiyah in the second rakat. This is the sunnah of the Prophet. There's another hadith which says that the Prophet did Surah Qaf in the first rakat and Surah Qamar in the second rakat. Even this is a sunnah. If you don't remember these surahs, no problem, you can recite any surah. Preferably you pray in Jama'ah in your home. The male person can be the Imam, whether it be the father or the son or the brother, and the remaining family members can follow. The ladies, but natural, should have a separate line and they can join the male in the Salah at home. Ladies also should pray Salah at home and they have to pray behind the gents in a separate row.